Hi, my name is Rich Dosdall. I wanted to do another short video today on another one of the models that I made. This is a third scale 65 horse case steam engine. A few details about the engine. It took me about 5 years to build this engine. Not full time, but evenings, weekends, etc. I do all my own machining. I do all my own painting. Something like this case lettering right here. A friend of mine, he's a pinstriper and he's very good at it. That word was all done freehand. There's no decal, that's all freehand, along with all the striping back here on the water tanks. He did that all by hand. This is a decal, but all the striping was done by hand. Again, it's a 65 horse case. The boiler is made out of boiler code material, SA 516 grade 70. It's all boiler, like I say, boiler material. It's been hydro tested to 200 pounds. And boiler shell, the thickness of this is 1/2 inch. The rest of the boiler plate is 3/8 of an inch thick. So there's not going to be a problem there. The engine itself, well, the engine on the cart that it's on weighs about 1,250 pounds. So it's a pretty hefty duty engine. Over on the other side here, you will notice that there's a gear missing right here. That's the one sitting back here in the tank back here. It's wrapped up. I took that gear out of there just so that when I'm running the engine on a cart, somebody wouldn't happen to pull the clutch lever and the engine would run off the cart on me. It's just a safety. That's why the gear is missing. Today we are going to run this engine on air. We're not going to put a fire in it. So I'm going to hook up my air to it and we'll see how it runs. We have, today we're running it with 20 pounds pressure. It does have a full functioning governor on it. As you can see here, when I push on, the balls go down. That's our forward speed, and here's our reverse. Again, reverse or forward. And this engine does run very nicely at a slow speed. And the whistle does work too. Okay, well that's a little synopsis of the case engine. I hope you enjoyed looking at this, and we'll talk to you again later.